Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see an unique thing. So in our country quarter does not start from January. Okay, quarter starts from April every year. Okay, but if I see, this is our data. Okay, this is our bill date data. Okay, it is starting from January 1st. Okay, so if I do quarter from this, uh, if I need quarter, so what I have to do, I need a new column, then I'll write like quarter. Okay, so I will like write uh, bill date, then quarter. So quarter of bill date, if I take, then what it will return, you will see here. So it is showing like first quarter January 1st, but in our country it is not necessary, because our country quarter starts from April. Many organization, many companies also, they start their quarter from April, not from January. But by default in Power BI you can see, if I take quarter function, it is taking January 1st as first quarter, but it should show it is fourth quarter. So April, May, June, July, August, September, like this. So January, February, March should become fourth quarter. So what to do, how to get this? So for that we can do a DAX calculation. So here I wrote like, so here you can see we will use a switch statement. Okay, in switch, when the condition becomes true, then the trans date, this is our table name, so trans date of bill date. So if you put like trans date of bill date, then you will get a quarter number. So see, I am writing like bill date, then a list will come. In that list you should take quarter number. So when you take quarter number, then if the quarter number is 1, that means January, February, March, then it should show 4. Okay, then write like this again. When the bill date quarter number is 2, then it should show 1, that means April, May, June, it should show 1. Whenever the date comes for April, May, June, it should show 1, like this. July, August, September, October, November, December, then January, February, March should become 4. You can write like this, unless you can write like this also. Same thing, bill date of quarter, when the Q tier 1, then put 4, write like this, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So write, if you write like this, you will get like 1st of January as 4th. And if I take like, here you can see I need second quarter. So what is the second quarter? Second quarter is September, October, November. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So if I take like I need descending order. Okay, ascending order, sorry. So July, August, September. Okay, so July, August, September is quarter 2. Okay, so it should come. You need to do right, you need to create a switch statement, switch function, and write a DAX like this. It will be very important for any transaction details calculations. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends, learn Power BI. Thanks.